This is a tag-in grenade launcher, and here is a short video on how to properly use it. It's powered by compressed air and it shoots different kinds of 36mm projectiles. You may have to use it at least one of the stages of the Lynx brutality. You may find this grenade launcher in a state where it's already primed and gassed, but it is empty. It has a pistol grip, a trigger, and a crossbolt safety. White means that it's unsafe, red means that it's on fire. This is a grenade launcher sight, and in this configuration, it's meant for direct fire up to 25 meters. If you want to shoot further and hit something, you will have to arrange it in this position, and you can see it's graded up to 150 meters. It will be zeroed, and it will hit your target if you aim properly. To load the grenade launcher, you have to press this button here, and the tube is spring-loaded. To load it, you hold the launcher with the barrel pointing downwards. You take a round, you drop it into the barrel, and then not just push it with force, but you have to turn it a bit so it engages in the grooves and push it into the barrel. Doesn't have to be completely, this is enough, and then you close it. If the barrel doesn't want to close this simply, there is something wrong and you should not force it. Now the grenade launcher is loaded, it's off safe, and all that is left is for you to aim and press the trigger. To properly aim with this grenade launcher, you have to align the front sight in one of these notches that correspond with the distance that you are shooting at. Then the only thing is left to press the trigger. The trigger is quite heavy and hard, and you have to press it evenly so you don't move off the target. It's that simple. After you fire the round, the only thing left is to press the button, open the barrel, and eject the empty shell casing. This step will not be needed at Lynx brutality. This concludes your training on the TAG ML36 grenade launcher. This is a training flashbang grenade. This is how you use it. You grab it with a spoon inside your palm. If you're a left-handed shooter or user, you grab it with the left hand and you pull the ring out like this. The ring has two safeties. So one is that it's attached here to the detonator, and you first have to prep it by remove it like this. And before you start the stage, we will also prep the flashbang by squeezing these two prongs here, so it's easier to pull out the ring. It's not falling out, but it's easier to pull it out. This is how you will have the flashbang ready before the stage, and then when the sound signal starts, you can pull the pin. I suggest that you have a strong, secure grip on the flashbang. You grab the ring and then you twist it and pull it. Now it's ready to go, but it will not explode if you're holding it in your hand. When you release the spoon, then the detonator starts and you have maximum of 2 seconds. When using the flashbang, eye protection and ear protection is mandatory. The simulation anti-tank system consists of 3 parts: the tripod, the mount, and the rocket launcher itself. During the stage, you will have to carry the rocket launcher and assemble it at a certain location. You can carry only one piece at a time. The tripod will be in the stowed position, secured with this rubber strap. You take the white part and unhook it, and now the legs can open up. Here, be careful, because it can really pinch your fingers here. Don't lose it. You set it up like this. Then you have the mount that you simply put through the hole here. And then at the end, the rocket launcher, it will have a marked white lines here, so you know to put it in the mount like this, turn in the right direction. After you're finished with shooting, you will have to carry all of these parts back to the truck in one go. So the launcher and the mount and the tripod. Now be very careful to not put fingers anywhere near these joints here, because you can lose them. Really, seriously, this is heavyweight thing, and when it closes like this, you don't want to have fingers anywhere close to this. So you can carry it in this configuration. You don't have to put the strap on. The only thing that we ask you when you're running with this, I know everything is timed, but if you will throw the rocket launcher or the mount or the tripod, and if you damage it, you will get penalty points. So keep that in mind. Put it normally into the truck, don't destroy it.